Mr. Mush here. So, for our clay sculpture project for today, since we're talking about snow and ice and all that good stuff, I thought it'd be fun to make a little igloo village with penguins. Alright, so let's get to it. All you're going to need today is oil clay and some clay tools. I'm just going to use a pin tool, and you'll see why in a second, okay? And these are the colors that I'm using: a light icy blue, white, black, and yellow for the penguins and the igloos. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna make, now you can make this as big as you want, okay? I'm gonna take this light blue, and if you see some glitter shining in it, that's from one of our last projects, the cookies that we did, the gingerbread. So, I mean, if you have blue and silver glitter and you want to put some in there to shine, do it up. Okay, so this is going to be my ground, okay? So I'm going to kind of make like a pancake, okay? And I'm just pinching it. And like what's nice, like you can make it a perfect circle, but because it's like nature and outside, and it's like I'm imagining like it's a hard chunk of ice, okay? You can make it any wonky shape you want. So I think that's pretty good right there. All right, so next I'm gonna take some white, okay? And I'm gonna make my igloos. Now, there are several ways like that you can make your igloo. One way is to make little cubes like bricks and stack them up like this. And you just keep stacking and you keep going around, kind of like what you would for a real igloo. Okay, like this, and you just keep stacking. But I'm gonna show you a simpler way, okay? So, I'm going to roll this around, make a little ball. And if you saw our episode of our monster pinch pots, we're kind of going to make a pinch pot like this. Okay. Like that. And then I'm going to take my pin tool, and I'm going to make a little hole like this. Cut a little chunk out like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take another piece of the white clay, and I'm going to flatten it like this. And then I'm going to put it on the front right here like this. Okay. I think I need just a little bit more for the sides right here, because that's like, this is like the little tunnel that you crawl through to get in to the main part. I remember when I was a kid, we had a blizzard and we made an igloo, but we made it under our tree fort, because sometimes if you do make an igloo, they could cave in, and that could be very dangerous. So my dad was really smart, and he didn't want anything to happen to me and my sister, okay? So there's my little igloo, okay? So, and then I would put it there. But before I do that, I'm gonna use my pin tool, and I'm going to draw lines going around like this. Okay, and then going around this way to make it look like the bricks. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna go around again. And what's nice too is that clay, if you make a mistake, you just smudge it out. Okay, just like that. And there you go. And there's my igloo, okay? So then I'm gonna put my igloo right there, okay? And it's, okay, so there it is. So I'm gonna make a couple more, and I'm gonna do this in super fast making igloos mode. and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so look, if you can see here, here's my little igloo village, okay? And now it just needs some penguins, some fun little penguins, all right? So I'm gonna show you how to make the penguins now, all right? So, and like I said, you can make this as big as you want or as small as you want. I wanted to make a little scene, okay? So I need to make my penguins roughly, like small, so it looks like they can fit into the little igloos, okay? So I'm gonna give my penguin a little beak. I'm gonna give him a white belly, okay? And I'm keeping this very simple because they're super tiny, okay? And if you saw, I just made like a little jelly bean, pinched a little triangle, and just took a little white. And then I'm gonna pinch some yellow for his feet. Just like this. There we go. And then I'm gonna just give him his wings, his flippers. Okay, and if you want to make like add any extra details, like since he's black, you know, if you want to give him eyes, maybe just do a little white. If you want to give him little black dots for eyes, that's fine. Okay, so there's my little penguin, okay, and he's gonna go right there, and then I'll give him a buddy. Same thing. And you know, penguins, they live all over the place. They live in Chile, they live in South Africa. It's really amazing. But like emperor penguins, they live, you know, they live where it's cold. I forget what the name of the little penguins are in South Africa, but they're pretty cute. Make his little feet. And for this one, I'm not gonna give him eyes. I kind of like it without the eyes. Give him little flippers. Just like that. And I mean, like, if you want to add anything else, like, look, they're talking. Hey, what's going on, man? What are we gonna do today? Like, if you want to add maybe like a fireplace, like a, you know, like a camping fire, that's up to you, okay? But there you go. There's our penguins hanging out at their igloos, okay? So, as always, please send in a picture to our email address below. I would love to see your penguins with their igloos. Maybe you use different colors. Maybe you did different animals. Maybe you made you and your friend hanging out at igloos. Who knows? But I would love to see it. So send us a picture or tag us on social media. All right, guys. Well, that's it for our clay project today. I'm going to head on over to our craft project. I'll see you there. Peace.